Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at something from Accademia BARILLA. This is Side Dishes, Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites. So here on the front cover, we can see here some stock photography. If we continue on the binding portion, again, Side Dishes, Accademia BARILLA, and this is from Taunton Press. Continuing on the back cover, 40 recipes for side dishes. A bit more description there. A couple of stock photos, Taunton Press, and pricing and barcode information at the time. If you look at the inside covers, you can see here kind of a chef's hat illustration. As well as on the back pages, we'll find our print information. This is from 2013. Jump to the front, see our title page, and a little bit more background information, some more stock photography, and our contents. A little bit more publishing information there. And then the book itself has text, recipes, and a lot of stock photography. And if we jump to the back portion for the index, it is actually an ingredients index starting on page 92 and continuing to page 94 for a little bit more information there. So again, lots of photos, the recipes, and accompanying text. But taking a very quick look at something from Accademia BARILLA, Side Dishes, Delicious Recipes for Italian Favorites. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.